What's up, guys? Pokémon 51 here with another video. Here's a recap from our Generations Elite Trainer box.
The last
Some
video.
pretty sweet. Can't believe we still got those two in the same pack.
Blastoise and Gardevoir in the same pack. I can't believe it.
Alright, that aside, let's get into the video. Today we're going to be opening a Moltres triple pack. There's one of 3 special pins. There's Moltres, Articuno, Zapdos.
But we, for some reason, couldn't
find the other 2. We just found this one.
Zapdos. That was pretty weird. And that was the only pack that they had. They only had one Moltres. Pretty freaky.
Let's get everything out of here.
Sweet pin.
Boom. Here's a sweet pin.
Oh no! I spilled them.
I like it. I kind of wanted the Articuno, but I'll take the Moltres.
Yeah. Pretty
There's
sweet.
that.
I can't wait until we get the Zapdos.
And then it came with 3 packs. Steam Siege, Breakthrough, and Primal Clash. I think we'll open Breakthrough first, Steam Siege, and then Primal Clash. I really hope for a full art Kyogre.
You get a full art Kyogre or a Primal Kyogre. Full art
Save
Primal
those.
Kyogre.
Boom, boom.
I'm gonna punch you in the face.
Oh, there.
Aber. Yeah?
Starting off
It
with
is time to
an
leave.
Assault Vest, Pillow-Swine, Granbull,
I will throw this
Inkay,
away.
Swinub, Starly, Fennekin, Flabebe, Reverse Giovanni Scheme. That's could use that. A Chatot.
Is that even a rare?
A regular rare Chatot.
How is that Chatot a rare?
Whatever. I'll take it.
No, you will not.
This
We will
is
not stay.
Primal Clash.
I'm coming.
Alrighty. Wish me luck. Celio, Nidorina, Groudon Spirit Link, a Weedle, Corphish, Meryl, Shroomish, Drillbur, Reverse Grovyle, and a Walrein. Regular rare. Sweet. The last pack, Steam Siege. I can already tell there's gonna be nothing in this one. Armor Fossil, Sheldon, Bravery, Nuzleaf, Nidoran, Glauncher, Fletchling, Hoppip, Sneasel,
Pretty cool.
a Break, Hydreigon,
Second one.
second one, it's interesting, and a
I
Yan Mega.
I thought you were gonna get an EX like it did in that Blastoise.
Well, it's pretty good. Giovanni Scheme and a Hydreigon. Maybe I'll just do, since this video is short, 3 packs.
And 1 pin.
I'll show you guys my collection. Collection so far, I should say.
Of EXs?
And you know what? Where's all this stuff? Oh, that's the pack.
Next video we might do a
Got 3
collection
code
video.
cards for you guys here. Breakthrough, that's the Breakthrough booster.
Let me go get mine.
Primal Clash booster. And an XY Steam Siege. You didn't have one. They didn't come with that.
I know, but I have many EXs.
Those aren't code cards.
I know, but you're doing your connection.
Oh, whatever. Well, better hurry, because... Alright, this is my collection book. I'll show you guys.
You forgot something.
We've got Mega Charizard from Generations, the Flareon non-full art from Generations, Ninetales from Generations.
Let me get my cards up in here.
I can't remember what set, I think it's Breakthrough, Lugia. And then we got Mewtwo, got Mewtwo's. This is the one from the one from the, what is it? The Mewtwo Premium Collection box, those two. And we got those from Breakthrough. Mew, Latios, Venusaur, Tyrantrum. Gardevoir from Steam Siege. Or no, this is the Steam Siege one. Sylveon Full Art. Sylveon Regular. Xerneas, Groudon, Machamp. And then there's our Hydreigon Break. Let's go ahead and throw the other one behind it while we're in here. Boom, we got Shaman from Generations. Aurorus, Crocodile from the EX box, Pikachu EX, Ampharos EX, Dragonite Full Art, Entei Full Art. Well, not really full arts. Ancient Traits, Sableye Ancient Trait, Swallow, Goribus, Azumarill. These are just hollows. Yveltal, Zoroark, Porygon. We got Charizard from Generations, Hollow Rayquaza, Hollow Gallade, 2 Hollow Silglyphs, Imakuni, I can't remember what these are called. Special. I don't know what they're called. Jirachi.
Secret rares.
Another Yveltal, Sceptile.
Jordan, it's called Secret Rare.
I don't know why that floatstone's in there. Ludicolo, Promo Regigigas, 2 Zapdoses, Carbon, Regirock, Full Art Pikachu, and I have my old stuff in the back.
Old hollow German.
Look at that. German hollow Machamp first ed. I don't know if this is the expensive one or not. Let me
But
know.
it's sweet.
Old Skarmory, Pikachu Libre, Delphox, something energy, Tangrowth. Then we got Kyurem, Vanillix, Regirock, Zygarde, Beedrill, and then we have
Jordan,
old energy retrievals. Shut up.
Try and read that German.
Shut up.
Try and read that German
No, I'm
energy
good.
retrieval. That's what I thought.
These are just cool cards from old sets.
Dude, I gotta get mine. I gotta go, man. I gotta show mine.
More old cards, and a hollow. And
Where's
then
your Gyarados, man?
the dark and light sets. Dunkel's Radicarl,
Ratfrats.
Ratfrats, Deoxys Venusaur, and Misty Seadra,
And the hollow.
Delta Species Rayquaza, a Quapo.
Quapo.
This is a German Poliwrath, and a
Wait.
base set Gyarados. It's very bad shape,
The Gyarados
but
has,
it's base set German too.
Gyarados has more health than the Rayquaza.
I like it. I wish whoever had it before me took better care of it, because lot.
Right.
A lot.
Here's mine.
And this is my brother's miniature collection book. He's got the double side, make it easy to see.
Slowpoke.
Magierna EX.
Mewtwo EX.
Oh my god. He's got double.
Take a closer
Food Ops Golem. Mega Galley, Mega Gardevoir. Flip it or rip it, Gardevoir, Spirit Link, and Sharpedo
I made a
EX.
sweet trade today.
Gengar and Tyranitar EX. Glalie EX and Mega Tyranitar. Pikachu EX Full Art. Tyrantrum EX. Mega Aerodactyl. Sylveon EX.
Voila.
T-Magma Groudon and Aegislash.
Cheater Aegislash. No, cheater Tyrantrum. I mean,
He's got breaks for days.
Uncle Victor has breaks for days.
All those breaks. Team Flare, Headbringer,
And I have a lot
Machamp.
of new cards in my binder right now.
and this is from the first movie
Dragonite.
promo. And Charizard, Ancient Trait,
Generations, like you're going the wrong way.
went backwards.
I added these cards
And these are from the Generations
our last video.
trainer box that he opened.
Except for that energy switch.
Gardevoir and
Got the
Charizard,
Gardevoir and Blastoise
And
in the
Blastoise.
same pack.
and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.
Peace.